Hey, you guys, today I received some happy mail and it's from my friend Elisa. So I'm really happy to see what she sent me. I opened it just so I could reach my hand in there, and I am in my living room. So, oh my God. She sent me a yes to grapefruit, 2 steps facial kits, all about the face, and I love a good mask, and she definitely knows that. Thank you. I cannot wait to try this. I'm gonna definitely try this weekend. And yeah, it's yes to grapefruits. So it's a 2-in-1 mask. And let me see. It's a daily facial scrub and a brightening peel. Oh, so that'll be fun. It's like a peel mask. You scrub your face and then you put on the peel mask. So that's pretty cool. Thank you. I'm definitely going to use that. So let's put that to the side. Oh, they're little Easter bunnies. These are so cute. I got little Easter bunnies that I'm definitely going to put away for next year. And this is the blue one. The yellow one. That's adorable. There's a pink one. A blue egg. And a yellow egg. So these are cute, especially for like in arts and crafts. Even for the kids, they would love to go ahead and play with those and make something. So let me see what else is in here. There's a cute little card that says Susie. I'm gonna make sure nothing is left in here, and there is something left. And there is the pink one. So I have 3 bunnies that match and 3 eggs. So isn't that adorable? And then my face mask. So let me go ahead and open this. This is Susie, and I love the way that it has those little eggs, and it says caution contains confetti. This is so cute. So let me open this and make sure that I can share it with you guys before I open it. But this is just a little happy mail, and I had to make a little video. It is adorable. Thanks, Lisa. And here is the card that she sent me. And this is the confetti. I never seen this. Look at it. It's adorable. They're little Easter eggs, and they come in different colors. That is so pretty. Look at how pretty this is. It'll be perfect for a project, like a DIY. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in a container. But look at the card. I'm not going to show you the inside, but look at how gorgeous this card is. It says hello spring, and look at the flowers on there. Just plain adorable. Yeah, it is gorgeous. Thanks, Lisa. I definitely love everything that you sent me. You are so sweet, and thank you, thank you, thank you.